Wow. Okay, Jan. Enjoy your haircut, Jan. You're making yourself guapo, Jan. Guapo. Do you know what is guapo, Jan? Guapo or pugi means handsome. Bye, Jan. Bye. Thank you so much. God bless you, Jan. God bless. Take care, Jan. Thank you. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking ama, ay buong buhay ko, puso't kaluluwa, di na makaya ng pagkakaloob. Good luck. Enjoy your haircut, Jan. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Mamahaling hiyas ng gintong niloob, ang tanging dalangin. Mangyan ng Mindoro. Welcome, Mangyan ng Mindoro. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you. Mangyan ng Mindoro. Nag-YouTube po ba kayo, Mangyan ng Mindoro? Where is your next flight, Joseph? Where is your next destination? Wow, I think it's really so nice, right? Like you are flying around the whole world. Sagar Official, welcome back. Hello, how are you today? No, boo. Maybe tomorrow I will go groceries. Anyway, it's my off tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I will go groceries. Wow, it's nice. Nice, Joseph. Enjoy your off. Always I forget things. I have to make list, boo. I have to make list and then include the battery. I really need a battery because even sometimes, you know, I'm watching to my wall clock and it's not working. Vocasin, hello. Welcome, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm live streaming host. Okay po. Wait. Bisitahin po kita sa isa kong channel. Ay, ba't hindi ko ito maano? KM Ahmad. Mangyan ng Mindoro, wala naman pong video yung channel mo. Okay. Ninja mo lang pala yan. Comment ka sa ano ko po. Mag-comment ka sa main account mo para mabigyan din kita. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Yes, DL, that is amazing to fly all over the world. G Duplicate. Welcome, G. Thank you so much. God bless you. Taga saan po kayo? Where are you from, G Duplicate? Thank you, KM Ahmad. Thank you. Chandra Kanta Sahu. Chandra, thank you so much. God bless you. Please like and subscribe for those who are new guys. Thank you so much.